So if we're going to be adding or subtracting polynomials, the first thing you're going to notice is there seems to be these like extra parentheses around things. That's just because they're saying this entire thing is a parenthesis, they want to group it together. But in some cases, like in this example down here, these parentheses, they don't even really matter. Like you could get rid of them and it wouldn't be a problem. Up here they do matter because this negative, this minus sign in front means you have to subtract this entire parenthesis. So let's start off with this problem. First of all, when you're adding, subtracting polynomials, it's all a matter of combining like terms. Like terms are things like this 7v squared and this v squared. They're alike because they're both a v squared. This v and this v, these are like terms because they're both just a v. This and this, they're alike because they're both just constants. So we're gonna combine things that are the same, but this negative has to be like we're subtracting this entire polynomial. So the first thing I would do if I saw a subtraction problem is I would rewrite the entire first of this part of this just the way it looks. And then this negative sign, I would just distribute it to every single part of this. So this would be a negative 3v squared, a negative 5v, and then a positive 6 at the end. And then as long as you remember to distribute that negative sign and understand that this and this, these guys are alike, so I can put them together. Negative 7 and negative 3 make negative 10, and the power itself doesn't change at all. It's kind of like someone saying, hey, you have negative 7v squareds, and I give you negative 3 more v squareds. How many v squareds do you have? You have negative 10 v squareds. That's not going to be affected by the fact that we're combining these two things together. Then I'll look at this and this. These guys are like terms. They make negative 3v. And then finally, this guy with this guy, and they make a positive 2. And there's no other way to combine anything. Sometimes people want to put this with this, but like this is a v, that's a v squared. They're not alike. They're different things. You can't do anything with that. This is your final answer. The next problem is pretty much the same thing, so go ahead and give it a try and then check out the video.